Hi, I'm Dave Glatthorn. I'm an attorney in West Palm Beach representing injured people. I want to tell you a story today about a very unusual case involving a gentleman who sustained catastrophic injuries that left him in a wheelchair, who had no seatbelt on, but we were able to prove that the lack of a seatbelt did not cause his injuries. The family came to me, and this gentleman had suffered a brain injury that left him with what they call hemiparesis, which is total weakness on one side. And he was amnesic for the event. He didn't have any recollection of it, but he clearly did not have a seatbelt on. And his case was turned down by at least 2 other law firms because they said, well, if you didn't have a seatbelt on and you got a brain injury, it's got to be as a result of not having a seatbelt. But as I looked at the Florida Highway Patrol photographs, I noticed that the headliner on the truck that he was in had a large amount of blood on the headliner. So I hired a seatbelt expert, a doctor that's also an engineer, and he looked at the whole circumstances, and he said that in fact the head injury was not as a result of not having the seatbelt on, because when he was hit, by the angle he was hit, he would go straight up whether he had a seatbelt on or not. So the head injury would not have been prevented by use of a seatbelt. And that's one example. Most people think seatbelts are going to prevent all injuries. They don't. They cause some injuries, and other injuries they not prevent. So that's another example of, in these cases, you need an experienced attorney that knows what to look for, that'll do the investigation that's necessary. If you've been involved in an accident in Florida, you're going to have questions. Call me. We can answer your questions. We handle these cases on a routine basis. We have the experience, we have the competency to do it. 659-1999. I'm Dave Glatthorn. I thank you for watching this video.